Hi, my name is Jennifer Penrose from Penrose Physical Therapy, and I wanted to talk to you about a free knee pain workshop that we are hosting. And I just wanted to tell you what it was about. If you are someone who is living with agonizing knee pain or just even annoying knee pain that is impeding your function, and you'd like to learn some practical tips of how to be able to go on walks again with your friends, or how to become more active and mobile, and what things you can actually do for that knee pain, this would be a great workshop to come to. We'll discuss what causes knee pain, and we'll also look at foot alignment and leg alignment and discuss how that influences your knee pain and what things you can do to affect that, and some practical exercises that you could implement right away. This is definitely a place where if you've tried other things or you've been just told to live with it, I think you will find some practical tips here that will move you forward to help you be more active, more mobile, with less pain in your knee. Kind of a start of that journey, if you will. And we'd be happy to hear your story, and there'll be time for questions and answers. We'd love to have you participate. We treat people all the time with knee pain, and one of the most common things I hear from patients is, I really wish I would have started this sooner. I really thought it was just arthritis and I was just going to have to live with it. And they are surprised, pleasantly surprised, that they are able to do the stairs again, or squats, or get on the ground and play with their grandkids again without the knee pain stopping them. So I just thought, what a better way to get this out to the community than hold a free knee pain workshop. So if you're interested, please click on the link below. We look forward to meeting you, serving you, and just being able to help you along this journey that I think sometimes feel like there's nothing that can be done. So look forward to helping you. Thanks.